What's up, YouTube? This your boy Bandman Rio. Have no what felt, cause Bandman Rio is here to save the day. I ain't Superman or Spider-Man. Hey, look. Okay. A CPN number and a CPN is the same shit, but it's not. A CPN number is your the Social Security create. And stop telling niggas you don't need the guideline to make a social. You can just, like, y'all sound dumb as, y'all wouldn't know how this sound. You can just pick out any social. You just create your any social in the application. That shit sound dumb, right? If you know, you gotta know the three numbers, the first three numbers match your what? City, man. State, really. State and city. The second number, second row, two numbers, it match your age. Now look, y'all, it's gonna tell you what numbers stand for how old you is. So you just gotta make sure the birthday match up, you know what I'm saying, with how old you is. Then you gotta make sure the year do too, you know. So it's like, man, don't let a motherfucker that don't know what they talking about getting y'all Fiego. Your Fiego is y'all head. So yeah, got that part out the way. Now, this is how you create your CPN. Say after you got your Social Security, right? I already got it. You know what I'm saying? You just went on to the website. You checked it. Nobody got the Social Security, you know what I'm saying? Right there. Like, nobody using it. Y'all cool. You know you don't need to put your name, create a name. You create your name. Like, say you want to use your real name, right? So on the app, so when you filling out all these applications and shit, applying for all these credit cards and shit on Walgreens, Walmart, this is how you create your CPN. You finding out all these, you know what I'm saying, applications for credit cards. You applying for credit cards only. You gonna get denied. You supposed to get denied. You gonna put your first and last name, or the person name you're using, or the person name you want to use, the phone number. Download text free and use that phone number as you. The address, you're gonna go to Google Maps and just put in anybody's address. Like, tap on the little screen and shit, and it's gonna pop up. Or you can use your family, you know what I'm saying, address. But your cousins. Okay, another thing. After you do all that, right, you put all that in the info. It's gonna say your Social Security. The same Social Security you just made on the Social Security validator to check to see if nobody had it. You're gonna put that in. Now, all the information you just did for that first application, bam, you're gonna do it for the next 3 applications. Then you're gonna wait till the next day and do 3 more applications, but different websites though. Like, find out, like, banks, cars, like, get denied, you know what I'm saying? Apply for a credit card. Then the next day, you're going to wait it out for the whole day. You ain't going to do no more applications. The 4th day, bam, you're going to log into Credit Karma, right? Now, look, man, everything you just put on that application, the very first application, all the other 3 applications, do the same thing. Put the same info down. Write the info down. Put it in your notes. You know what I'm saying? Your first and last name, your birthday, the year, your Social Security, your address, your phone number, how much you make in a year. You know what I'm saying? Remind you, if they tell you how much you on an application, on the credit line application, put self-employed, put 20. You can pick up to 0 to 25,000. How much you make a year? Put 50,000. Put 45,000. Really go average. Put 38,000 as your annual income. Then if they ask for the mortgage on the application, all you gotta do is just put 780 as your mortgage. 780 as your mortgage, and put all this shit under your info you done wrote down in your book or you put in your notes. You know what I'm saying? Mortgage 750, annual income 38,000 a year. Self-employed. If they ask you for the name of your business, just make up a name and put it in your notes. And you're gonna do that all for them other 6 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them applications. You're basically putting the same information in these applications. You know what I'm saying? So when you log into Credit Karma, you're gonna go to Credit Karma. Well, how much you make a year? Ooh. What's your first and last name? What's your social? Last four. Ooh. Okay, right? You put all the information you copy down into Credit Karma. Now they're gonna ask you a security question. Now look, you made this social. You know what I'm saying? You made this social. You know the questions they ask you, right? None of you above. Only thing you probably got to pay attention to when they ask about what street you live on, what year you was born, your birthday. But you know that because you just made this shit. Everything else they ask you, think you on none of you above. And that's how you really actually make it. That's how you merge your, you know what I'm saying, the Social Security you just made into a CPN. You're going to use that information when you applying for something, but get your credit score up before you start applying. Do not use it right away. So hit me up, man. I just gave y'all free sauce. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Oh, yeah, I got trade lines, primaries, and AUs on deck. So come on, let's get this money. Let's go.